Seniors, if you want to build strength and stay independent as you get older, but don't have access to a gym, you're in the right place. Muscle loss, weak joints, and poor stability don't happen overnight, but they do get worse if nothing changes. That's why in today's video, we're focusing on 3 simple bodyweight exercises that help improve balance, protect your joints, and rebuild muscle safely at home. Before we start, comment your age and where you're watching from. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's begin. First, the plank. For seniors, a strong core is essential for balance and fall prevention. The plank strengthens your abs, lower back, and shoulders, helping you stay steady during everyday movements like standing and walking. Hold a straight line from head to heels for 15 to 30 seconds, or perform it on your knees if needed. Second, squats. Squats are one of the most practical exercises for seniors because they improve your ability to sit down and stand up safely. They strengthen your thighs, hips, and glutes while supporting knee health and mobility. Lower yourself like sitting in a chair, then push through your heels to stand. Aim for 8 to 12 controlled reps, using a chair for support if needed. Third, glute bridges. Glute bridges strengthen your hips and lower back, improving posture and walking stability. They can also help reduce lower back discomfort. Lie on your back with knees bent, lift your hips until your body forms a straight line, squeeze at the top, then lower slowly. Perform 10 to 12 controlled reps. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe so more seniors can stay strong and independent.